Welcome to the Paybeto Pro Marketing course. In this module, we'll explore two of the most effective email marketing tools, Mailchimp and yet another mail merge, YAMM. Email marketing is a powerful way to connect with your audience, boost engagement, and drive conversions. Choosing the right tool can make all the difference in your marketing success. Let's dive in. Mailchimp, a comprehensive email marketing solution. Mailchimp is one of the most widely used email marketing platforms, offering advanced automation, audience segmentation, and design tools. Whether running a small business or a large-scale campaign, Mailchimp provides the flexibility and scalability you need. Here's how to create an email marketing campaign with Mailchimp. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Go to Mailchimp's website and create an account. Log into your dashboard to get started. Step 2. Set up your audience. Click on Audience in the dashboard. Create a new audience by entering details like the sender's email and business address. Import contacts using a CSV file or integrate with other platforms. Step 3. Create an email campaign. Navigate to Campaigns and select Create Campaign. Choose Email and select Regular Email for a standard campaign. Name your campaign and click Begin. Step 4. Design your email. Choose your audience segment. Add a sender name and email. Write an engaging subject line. Click Design Email to customize a template with text, images, and buttons. Step 5. Test and send your email. Click Preview to see how your email looks. Send a test email to check formatting and links. Choose to send immediately or schedule for later. Step 6. Track performance. After sending, go to Campaigns to monitor. Check open rate, click rate, bounce rate. Use these insights to optimize future campaigns and improve engagement. YAMM, a lightweight Google Sheets-based solution. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to send personalized email campaigns directly from Gmail, yet another mail merge, YAMM is the perfect tool. It's ideal for businesses, educators, and freelancers who need quick, effective outreach without complex automation. Step 1. Install YAMM add-on. Open Google Sheets and go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Search for Yet Another Mail Merge and install it. Grant the necessary permissions to connect with your Google account. Step 2. Prepare your email list in Google Sheets. Create a new Google Sheet with column headers, email address, first name, last name, other personalized fields like company and discount code. Fill in the recipient details under these columns. Step 3. Create your email template in Gmail. Open Gmail and click Compose. Write your email and use placeholders for personalization. Add a subject line, then save the email as a draft. Step 4. Set up the mail merge in YAMM. Go to your Google Sheet and click Extensions, then Yet Another Mail Merge, Start Mail Merge. Select the sender name and choose the email template from Gmail Drafts. Enable tracking to monitor open and click rates. Step 5. Test and send your email campaign. Click Send Test Email to preview. If everything looks good, proceed to send emails. Monitor the sending progress in YAMM's status window. Step 6. Track email performance. Open your Google Sheet and check the Merge Status column for opened emails, clicked links, bounced emails. You can also view detailed reports in YAMM's tracking report. Step 7. Follow up and optimize. Filter out recipients who haven't opened your email and resend. Adjust subject lines and content for better engagement. Perform A/B testing to test different versions before launching a full campaign. Choosing the right tool for your business. Both Mailchimp and YAMM are powerful in their own ways. Mailchimp is ideal for businesses needing advanced automation and large-scale campaigns. YAMM is great for quick, personalized outreach using Gmail and Google Sheets. By choosing the right platform and following best practices, you can maximize your email marketing efforts and drive better engagement. Stay tuned for more valuable insights in the Paybeto Pro Marketing course. Until next time, happy emailing.